Hi everyone, welcome to the official page of Chilling with Navine. Enjoy! Hello, welcome to Chilling with Navine, and in this video I am trying on this wig, y'all. I'm going to show y'all how I do this wig, this beautiful wig. It's called Audry and it's from Sensationnel, y'all. This is a stock card Swiss lace. It's a Swiss lace wig and it's from RG. I tried the color 1B. So yes, tune in to see how I did it and tune in at the end to see my final thoughts on this wig. I hope you like it. All right. Okay, y'all, so this is where I was trying to cut the lace, but as you can see I cut off piece right here at the corner so it could be more easier, and then I'm going in with the scissors to, you know, get it cut properly cut. You know, I'm trying to do it jaggedy so it's not too even, so it's not too straight with that one line. Yep, and here is where I take out my little sideburns. Yeah, I like to leave that out. Sometimes I like cut it, but for this video I did not. Yes, and I'm just going in with my Gus to Be Glue gel spray. Yeah, I'm just going in. There we go. Yeah, my kids came in the room now and I was yes, but I was just trying to stay focused for this video. This is where I just try to blow dry down it with, cool air. I did hot and I did cold just to get it right. Alright, so continue watching the video. Okay, yeah, so now I'm just going in with my foundation brush. Yes, I just dabbed it in a little bit of foundation, just a little bit. I just put it on my hand and then the back of my hand, and then I just dabbed it on it just a little bit, and then I just went in just to get that light lace, you know, to match my skin tone, because I wanted it to melt. Yes, here we go. Here we go. Okay, y'all, so my phone battery just died and I had to charge it up real quickly and do my makeup, but this is the final look, and this wig is a banger. Like, are you seeing this wig? Bro, this wig is like only for $50. I paid like around $52 or something like that on Amazon. It's because I kind of wanted my shipping to come quickly, like 2 days, all right? But this wig is beautiful. I am in love, y'all. Y'all, you need to get into this wig. Like, you need to like get into this. This is like a virgin wig. I need y'all to see the back also. So, are y'all getting into this look? Yeah, I love it. I love it. Please to comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Let me know, what do you think about this wig and everything. It feels good. It's like a yaki texture. It is nice, y'all. So yeah, comment and like and let me know what y'all think. And if you haven't subscribed already, please to hit that subscribe button. All right, thank you.